In this video, I will give you a short introduction to the Essential Cebuano multimedia course by Bud Brown. What I really like for this course is that it's focusing on the everyday life and what is most important phrases you need to learn as a beginner. So have a look here. As lesson 1, for example, is normal greetings and leave takings, which is so important to know from day one. Lesson 2, giving and asking personal information. Lesson 3, asking how do you say in Cebuano. Lesson 4, visiting a home. Lesson 5, shopping at a market. Lesson 6, expressing health concerns. Lesson 7, what to say at mealtime. Lesson 8, talking about the weather. Lesson 9, restaurant talk. And lesson 10, asking for directions. So all these are topics that are included in the everyday life, and you don't have to read 500 pages book, but you get the most important phrases in the beginning here. And what is really nice is that you get these videos, and there are really great to follow these videos because it's easy to follow. And all these 10 lessons come with that and also much more. It comes with vocabulary list, easy lesson text, audio files, and a slideshow where Bud Brown explains about this particular lesson and a commentary, and also lesson text practice and a test questions and answers to see if you understood the lessons. In addition, if you buy this course, you will also receive essential phrases, essential vocabulary list, and a quite big section which is called essential grammar. And this alone includes 20 plus videos. So in total, 171 pages ebook course with videos, 50 plus videos and 55 plus audio files. So you can go from absolutely beginner to intermediate and advanced learner of the Cebuano language, because you also learn about the grammar. So you have all these valuable videos. Let's click on that link and I will show you what the videos look like. Here is one video, an example, and some examples of what will be covered in these 20 grammar lesson videos package, all included in this Essential Cebuano multimedia course. So you get a lot, and it's a fantastic course. You can go on this website, which is called essentialcebuano.com. You can click on the About link, and you can listen and see Bud Brown here talking about how he created this course and how it is organized. So it's really nice put together. If you have any questions, you can even go to the contact link here and ask questions. So I recommend you to take a look. Essential Cebuano version 8 is out now. These conversation videos, I really loved these, easy to follow, and you can replay them as many times as you want, and you can have the text, and you can have the videos, and you can listen to the audio files. It's really a complete multimedia course. So go to essentialcebuano.com for more information, and if you buy it today, you can start learning today. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.